Okay, so here is the monthly grocery haul. We have some feta cheese. I got some sour cream. I got this very veggie salad kit. Zucchini. I got some green smoothies. I got 2 of these. Some apples, some onions, these. Southwest salad kit. I really love that. Some oranges, 2 things of lettuce, some sweet bell peppers, the little mini ones. I got some strawberries, some peppers, and some brown rice for meal prepping. Okay, so I'm going to try brown rice. I don't like it, but I'm going to try it again. So we got some of that. Okay, then I got some eggs, some pancake mix. I got 2 things of white and 1 thing of wheat bread. French vanilla extra extra, and then I got some I got vanilla extra extra, French vanilla. Then I got some sugar, I got some vanilla, iced coffee, 2 things of turkey, pepper jack cheese, cream cheese. I got some Dunkin' coffee. This is the French vanilla, some butter just in case. I don't know if we need it in here or not. Turkey sausage, turkey bacon. I got some yogurt. I got strawberry for a snack. I think this is cream. No, that's peach. And then the other 2 are strawberry cheesecake. Okay, I got some chicken thighs, chicken nuggets, frozen chicken breasts, turkey. I got some steaks, some broccoli, some mixed vegetables, some pork chops, some fish. Underneath here, some chicken, some okra, a roast, rolls, beef, shrimp, tater tots, ground beef, mac and cheese, and milk. And I'm going through this quickly because you guys know about my camera and my issue with my camera. So that is everything in my grocery haul for the beginning of the month. There we go. Another peek at this stuff. So this is my Dollar General haul. I have some napkins, some plates. I finally found this. I've been looking for this for a month, and I finally found it. The Bueno candies, the kisses, and the cookies. Because I'm going to make cookies for Valentine's Day for my decorate and bake. And then I got this Boost for my coffee. So that's my little Dollar General haul.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy,